Unity. Shared aspect of multiple owners of a property. Unity means a shared aspect of a property and is almost often used in regard to explaining relationships within ownership or within the four types of tenancy: common tenancy, joint tenancy, partnership tenancy, and community property tenancy. In common tenancy, there is only one unity, that of undivided interest in a property or equal right of possession. In joint tenancy, there are four unities: unity of time, all parties must become joint tenants at the same time; unity of title, all parties must take title on the same deed; unity of interest, all parties must have an equal undivided interest in the property; and unity of possession, all parties have equal right of possession of the property. Unity means a shared aspect of a property and is most often used in regard to explaining relationships concerning multiple owners of a property.